Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your eSIM or your electric SIM card on your iPhone, okay? So this is actually available, I think, for iPhone X and above. I am not sure for iPhone X and below. Please correct me on that if that's the reason, okay? So first things first, I want you to go to settings right there and quickly hop on General and then click on Software Update very quickly right there. And then as you can see here, automatic updates, please turn it on, and iOS 16.6.1 is currently my version. So actually right now, the iOS version is not really important. The important thing here is making sure you're gonna see iOS is up to date at this bottom part right here on your end also. So for any pending updates, for any pending versions, please install before proceeding on this process, okay? And as you can see on the top part, iOS 16 or iOS 17, correct? Sorry for that, is coming, so we can watch that for later on. Now, that being said, once on your settings again, click on cellular, this one right here, and then look for Add eSIM. Now, it's not really applicable for every iPhone because for I think iPhone 12 and above, they have a mobile option right here, much like cellular, but they call it mobile, and then you're gonna find eSIM right there. On my end, it's gonna be cellular, and then you're gonna see eSIM right here, Add eSIM, okay? And with this one, simply wait for it for a few minutes. I think 1 minute will do. And you'll have two options: transfer from nearby iPhone, so you need to have your iPhone nearby, and then use QR code. If you use QR code, your camera will be active and just scan the QR code from the eSIM package. It will be alongside once you purchase that eSIM, okay? Automatically after scanning it, it will be activated on your phone. So that being said, that's how you activate your eSIM. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.